What's happened this time, Jens?
I think I've accidentally somehow ate peanuts.
You ate some peanuts?
Yeah, it was somehow in this. I'm anaphylactic to peanuts as well, and I've forgotten my EpiPen.
Right, so you're anaphylactic to peanuts?
Yeah.
It's happened before then?
Yeah,
and you have
correct.
an EpiPen?
Yeah, I do, and I followed Murphy's Law. I just haven't taken it. I didn't bring it with me.
So you've had to give yourself an EpiPen before?
Yes, yeah. Probably
You've been
like
into
2 years
ED
ago.
or ICU?
Yeah, I was in ICU, yes.
Okay,
It was bad.
Tell me about right now. How are you feeling?
Same symptoms. It feels like I want to throw up.
Feels like you must
It
throw
feels
up?
like I've got a bit of a stomach issue here as well.
Yeah.
Feels like my tongue's starting to swell up.
Yeah, I
struggling
can
to breathe
I can see a bit of a rash there and a bit of swelling.
I'm starting to sweat. I can really feel uncomfortable.
Okay, so look, rash criteria, you clearly meet the rash criteria. You've got that existing anaphylaxis diagnosis, so I guess you know the drill. We've got to go with the EpiPen.
Yeah.
You've had one of these before?
Yep, I administered myself a while ago.
No worries. It would have been great if you were wearing shorts, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to go in straight through the pants if you don't mind.
Go for it.
Jens, I know it's not ideal. So I'm taking the safety cap off. I'm just checking EpiPen for an adult, and we're in date. Excellent. So blue to sky, orange to thigh. So you know the drill. Going to go in, hold it for 3 seconds. Is that okay?
Go for it.
All right, Jens. 1, 2, 3. There you go, Jens. How does that feel? Bit sore?
A little bit.
Okay.